affect, effect. These words are commonly confused even by native English speakers. So in this lesson, we are going to go through the difference between these words and how to use each correctly. Affect. Affect is a verb, and it means to change something or someone. For example, smoking can affect your lungs. This means smoking can change the function of your lungs. Another example is, the flood affected the crops. The loud music affected her ability to concentrate. Effect. Effect can be a verb or a noun, but most of the time it is a noun. As a noun, it refers to the result of the change. For example, the effect of a healthy diet is good for the body. This means the result of a healthy diet is good for the body. Another example is, the medication had no side effects. This means the medication doesn't result in any changes to the body. As a verb, effect means to effect change. So to bring about change or to cause change. For example, Sally hoped that the Prime Minister would effect change in her country. Overall, you need to remember affect is always a verb, effect is commonly a noun, but it can also be a verb.